Good morning, Deepak sir. Good morning, Deepak sir. Good morning, Sandesh bhai. Good morning, guys. Good morning, sir. Santosh sir, namaskar.
Good morning, team. We'll just start in another 4 to 5 minutes.
Good morning, Pupul sir.
Hi team. Thank you for waiting. We'll just start in another 1 minute time. Hi everyone. Good morning. Firstly, thank you for taking your time attending this webinar organized by Ecocloud in association with our partner Redington. Uh, my name is Idris, and I have my colleague Tahir, who has worked very hard in coordinating this event and who has set up this whole next generation webinar for all of us. This is going to be the first webinar which we have hosted for our customers, specifically for agentic AI, which is now the buzzword wherever we see. Right. So I have my colleagues from Redington, Mr. Hari and Gaurav, who will take you through in a moment in terms of what is this AI exchange and how you people, how customers actually are benefiting now, and what is the kind of how you can actually utilize this platform. But I would first take just 5 minutes of your time just to give you a quick view about why did we actually put up this webinar and what was the main what is it that we are trying to achieve by organizing this webinar. Okay. So basically, as you know, the world is moving towards the AI and specifically agentic AI, right? And what EcoCloud has always been doing is trying to see which are the new opportunities which is coming up, which are the new products which are coming up, and we want to keep our customers aware and what exactly our vendors are offering. Okay, that's the whole objective of having this kind of webinar planned today. Okay. Uh, so basically, as you people know that uh, we have already lived with this OpenAI, ChatGPT, Gemini. This has been going on for a very long time, and many of us, not many, every one of us are using one or the other tool these days to improve the productivity and to bring in more efficiency, more transparency in our day-to-day activities, right? So this slide actually gives you a quick view about what agentic AI will do. As you can see on the right, the agent AI marketplace is what we are actually going to talk. It is irrespective of any business vertical you are in, whether you are looking at agentic AI for IT or HR or sales, doesn't matter, any business function. Okay, what we're trying to achieve is we are giving you a platform which will actually help you to, instead of building agentic AI from scratch, we are giving you ready-made agents, okay, which you can deploy very quickly with the help of our ISV partners and our vendors. Okay, so this slide quickly gives you where we are, what are we trying to achieve, whether in whichever industry you are, whatever business function you are having, and whichever enterprise systems you want to integrate. The agent AI, whatever we are presenting today, will integrate everything. And let's not forget, any agentic AI process or is incomplete without having a security and governance, without having identity and access management enabled, and APIs and connectors which are there, part of the whole any agents which we have been building. Okay. Okay. So as you know, there is a very clear differentiation in the market these days between what is Gen AI and what is agentic AI. Okay. Gen AI we have always been using, your chat GPT and all, which actually is nothing but your prompt engineering. As you people know that you enter a prompt, It will give you a proper response. It can generate text, it can generate images or code, right? And it always waits for the inputs from the user, that is specifically you, right? But in the case of agentic AI, here is the main. It's this is the uh, system which does automatically things, right. Once you set up the whole process, it once you define the goals, once you define what is it that you're expecting the agent AI to do, it will do it itself, right. It's an automated system which will keep on running at the back end only with initial instructions which you are giving, right. After that, it is independent, right. It doesn't depend on prompts, it doesn't depend on your instructions, and it just looks at what is the initial instructions and initial uh, the fence what you have mentioned. Accordingly, it will keep functioning, right. So today's topic is not on Gen AI, it is on agentic AI, right. And finally, as you know, many companies, many customers are already adopting agentic AI models, agentic AI solutions for different purposes. Maybe for streamlining the IT help desk support systems, maybe to offer better service to customers with the proper customer service agentic agents, or it is specifically on, let's say, certain sales functions or finance functions, doesn't matter. And one good thing with agentic AI is it works across industries. It's not it's not restricted to only IT, ITES, or banking. It can be used, the business function, the use case can be any industry. Okay. So I'm very happy to bring you this new technology to all of you, and with the trust which we have built with all of you. Firstly, thank you all for coming, taking your time to understand what Ecocloud is offering, what our partner Redington is trying to offer to you. And it will, I'm sure, at the end of this session, you will definitely take a lot of inputs. You will be much more knowledgeable in terms of how you will implement agentic AI on this. Okay. Thank you. That's a quick brief from my end. Let me just stop this presentation. I'll hand it over to Mr. Hari and Gaurav from Redington to take over. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Idris. Thanks, Tahir. I hope my screen is visible for everyone.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Hmm? So thank you, team, for joining. First of all, happy morning, good morning, everyone. So my name is Hari. I lead the AI practice for Redington. I'm based out of Hyderabad. So till now, Idris was talking about AI agents, AI specifically, generative AI, and everywhere. Now AI has become an so generic word that people talk about AI, but no one knows how to utilize AI for the right functions. Or maybe we are not able to understand what is the actual ROI we can justify with the AI. So Redington, a value-added partner, technology partner for Ecocloud, has come up with a platform which is named as Redington AI Exchange, which will help understand the AI in a simple way. So what we are trying to do is that no, we are just giving the options to the channel partners, my business partners, the end customers to come and explore your set of business function AI utilization. Now, how does it happen? Why it is more important for the today's current ecosystem? So let me toggle to the next slide. Now on this slide, you can see what we are trying to put. Everywhere we are talking about AI. So what actually the business challenges the enterprises are facing in the today's AI journey? We need to understand these challenges first, how we can adopt a new technology, what is the support we are getting from the ecosystem, and then which all verticals we can utilize this AI. So Redington has done some brainstorming on this, and we have brought up with a platform which will help you. I will give you a demo of the platform in post the slides are completed. I will not bore you with, but I will keep you more interactive other side. So Tahir and Idris would request, can you enable mic for everyone so that it can be more interactive other side also, so that they can speak to us. So we have tried to identify the challenges. The biggest challenge for the enterprise today is that everyone wants to sell AI, everyone wants to adopt AI, everyone wants to take a journey of AI, but no one knows how to give a start. No one know how where to give a start. So what Redington has done is that no, we have built up an entire stack of AI ISVs with the help of Ecocloud, it can be scaled up to your ecosystem, and we can build a AI journey there. The biggest challenge right now is consumption and complex evaluation. Till now, we were in the era where we were seeing that AI, we were in the traditional practice of IT ecosystem. Right now, AI coming in, will my existing ecosystem survive that AI utilization or not? That is what we call integration and data silos. Are we ready with this integration and everything? That's where a partner like Ecocloud, who can help you evaluate, do the consulting with you, and they can start a journey of AI with you by evaluating your existing ecosystem. Now, the biggest challenge right now, either in the enterprise or either in the technology world, is expertise. Every day we are getting one more new edition of AI, but what to do and where to do, and what is the biggest challenge right now is resource building. That's how the channel partners play a bigger role. EcoCloud can play a major role for you, because they keep on talking about multiple ISVs, and they can make you, give you the right set of skill set as and when deployment of AI comes into. And also, for me, if, for example, if I am a customer, if I want to utilize a AI, the biggest challenge is how many choices I have for AI now, evaluation of complex evaluation, existing integration and data silos of my existing ecosystem, lack of expertise, and time. For me, if I have to think about AI and POC on AI right now, if I want to agentic my customer experience of my existing enterprise, what timeline I have to follow? No one is giving about ROI justification. The timeline itself is the biggest challenge. So what we have done is that, no, let's not waste time on finding a use case and POCs right now. Why don't we give an models directly to the customer through a Redington AI Exchange? Go fix it that this model or this agentic model can play a major role to automate your existing function. So Redington AI Exchange will play a major role in that. How to accelerate the journey? So what we have done is that, no, our AI Exchange platform will give you all these options: discover, evaluate, engage, implement, scale, and realize the value. When I say realize value, justify your investment there. How we are trying to give the end-to-end support through this AI Exchange? We are talking about faster time to value, because we are negotiating the timelines of finding an AI, right set of AI agents there. If I am a business function, I am an HR guy, and I know that I need an HRMS tool which has an agentic AI. You need to evaluate 10 multiple agents in the market, 10 multiple ISVs in the market. Simply log into the AI Exchange. You will find an HR solution there. See what exactly the solution fits you. Reach out to Redington team, reach out to the Ecocloud team. We will help you out with exactly what agent is. Let us, from the day two onwards, we can go for the POC and demo directly, instead of breaking your heads on finding the right set of solutions for you. That's how. That's how we create a business impact for the end user. And also, it will also improve the experience of the customer. How we are trying to do is that, no, we are not just trying to bombard everyone with a single user saying that, ki, boss, you need to buy only this agent, or you need to buy. For every solution, we are trying to give you multiple agentic solutions or multiple options to the customer, so that customer, they themselves can evaluate what is the right fitment for the ecosystem. Now, Redington AI Exchange is focusing on any verticals? No, it is a cross vertical solution. We are talking about creating the solution across all the enterprises and all the industries. We talk about VFSI, we talk about manufacturing, we talk about retail, healthcare, telecom. So there are almost 13, 14 verticals we are talking right now, and we have built the solutions for them right now. Any doubts on this team, or should I move ahead? Okay. So before I go into the platform demo, I just want to show you a workflow, like how the AI adoption journey can happen. We have onboarded ISV. So in this line, you can see Crayon Data, Ground Zero, IntelliDB, MonkDB. These are the few ISVs we have already done the homework from our side, and we know that at this level, at this layer, at this particular DevOps layer, or maybe the business automation process, or maybe the secure AI environment, these ISVs can play a major role. So we are doing the job of an enterprise to find out the right set of OEM, right set of an ISV, right set of a channel partner to come collaborate, so that we want to reduce the timeline, the friction of finding and right AI ISV, friction of finding and right AI agent, so that the adoption journey can start from the day one itself. That's how we have segregated. See, you can see on the Redington AI journey ecosystem we are talking about. At the AI application layer, we have almost four ISVs there: Noha, Core, Super AIP, and Genovation. These guys have a play across the AI application. And the automation layer, if you want to make a AI adoptable, you can talk about AI Automation Edge, who has already ready-made AI agentic solution with us. And the data layer we have associated with these two OEMs. So every partnership, what we have done is through Ecocloud. They are well versed. They have been certified in all the technology about what we are talking about here, and we can take this ISVs with you to start in AI journey on the day one itself. And in the industry use cases also, I have been showing the industry use cases that I am talking about BFSI. In the BFSI, I can talk about AI customer support, fraud detection, regulatory compliance through what all OEMs. See, you can see that I mentioned the OEM's name also. AI customer support core.ai, loan processing automation. I have automation edge. AI security. I have a App Sentinel. In the manufacturing, I talk about predictive maintenance through Noha.ai. So these are the particular use cases, ISVs, industry, agent, and positioning of the AI in your ecosystem. I hope I'm very clear on this slide, team. Should I
Yes, sir.
move? Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
I am unmuted
yeah. So any
participants
doubts,
also.
please? I would request everyone to be very interactive, because AI is something we need to talk with each other, and then only we can arrive to a solution, team. So let me show you my platform demo. Uh, so this is the Redington AI Exchange demo platform. It's a platform marketplace of Redington, where my business partners like Ecocloud has an premium and platinum access to these partners to come explore, build their solution, try to find out all the solutions, the challenges what ecosystem is facing now. So what we are trying to do is that, no, it's a simple LLM based platform where I go into the agent store, and simply I can drop saying that I am an enterprise. I want to build an agent for a bank for the use case, which is which has to be a KYC or something. You can put your query directly, and that's how let the AI do the job for you. Either it will give you all the available ISVs or agent solutions available with us, or else you can toggle down to the agent store in the direct platform itself, and you can find the business function wise, and also the industry wise what all agentic solution can be fit as per your verticals. So right now, see, my LLM is talking about the problem statement, the user journey, the data collection, expected output, everything. If this is okay, if it is matching your expectation, it is well and good, or else try to visit my agent store here. Now on this agent store, what we have done is that we have very simplified the entire process for the journey for the IT ecosystem. How are we trying to do is that, no? Industry wise, we have shortlisted agents. So team, I hope you people are very clear what agent is. The every agent which I am naming right now is a use case which has been tested by the ISVs, done some homework on this. They're either deployed at some articles, some customers, and then they have listed here. So this marketplace has agents or use case as per the industry wise. If you can see, almost like I have 15-20 industries or verticals of these industries where I have 496 agents on the platform now. 496 use cases are there across these verticals. For example, let me assume I want to talk about a BFSI use cases. Simply, I can go to the industry particular banking use cases, and these are the business functions. In the BFSI, these 20 use cases can be deployed. At analytical business intelligence, I have 68 agents to work on. Customer support, I have 44. Customer onboarding, I have 3. Services, services 4. So similar wise, all the business functions of BFSI has been covered here. Now, why are we trying to do this? So in the start of my slide, I told very clearly the challenge of adopting AI is we don't know where to start and how to start. A business function guy doesn't know how to start a journey. He would be waiting for someone to come and educate his entire team that AI can reduce this effort. So what we are trying to do with this platform is that we are giving a leverage to all the customers, partners, technology users, that please come and try to evaluate your business function, your industry verticals, and see what all use cases can be adopted here. This will not only simplify your journey, but also will help you to make decisions in the faster way. And also, I know the use case. Any LLM will can give me a use case, or any vertical. If I land into any of the GPTs, it will give me a use case saying that "Ki, I have the biggest challenge." But the biggest challenge, what I'm trying to solve right now is where to buy the use case and who would be the right person to supply you the use case or deploy you the use case, and who would be the right business partners to give you the right options or right business functions to deliver the right ROI. So that is what Redington has taken a charge. So for example, if you can see, I've selected BFSI in the customer support. I have these many three use case, three ISVs who can deliver the right set of agents for us. Right. So for example, now I have selected this customer experience. I have 44 agents, 44 use cases, and these are the three ISVs who hold the expertise in delivering agents in customer support and banking functions. Now, if you come down, you can see all these are all use cases only. Let me toggle to this particular wealth RM assistant. So wealth RM assistant, now there would be a small brief about this agent, what this agent means, how the agent will help enterprise support, what are the features of this agent, what is the ROI the customer gets here, what is the deployment model. It can be deployed in all the platforms. It's a platform agnostic. And in fact, few of the agents give you a platform demo also here, how it looks like. And also you can give a try to the particular platform also, saying that it will take you to the try now. It will require some basic details or informations to give you an access for the try now, or else you can speak to the AI Exchange team on the immediate to arrange a POC and demo on particular agent. Now, with this exercise, we know that we are speaking to an agent specifically on banking, customer support, and this is the ISV who can deliver this particular use cases right now. Now, this is what it would take weeks and weeks for us to do this homework, but this platform will help us to evaluate the things in a faster way. I hope I am clear, or else any doubt, team, please let me know.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Dear team, if you have any queries, you can just unmute yourself and you can ask the questions. Haribhai. Yeah. Good to go, sir.
Yeah. So team, I hope I gave you a small brief on how to find an use case which is a right fit for me. For example, if I am in an enterprise sitting at a logistic vertical segmentation or healthcare, every industry has a use cases listed here. Every business functions is talking about AI adoption. Please come and try to toggle here. Make sure that you get a right set of agents here, use cases here, and that's how the AI adoption can be done faster. So I am done with my platform demo, and also we can talk about the AI readiness check also. This assessment will give you that what kind of exploration we are talking about, what kind of organization you are into, and how AI can play a major role here. And simply it will land as a small interactive session later saying that key boss, I want to evaluate a use cases, an internal experiment, and everything. Either it can be a free of cost or POC. We are ready to come and showcase you all the solutions at your premises with the help of Ecocloud. We can do all this required demo POC with the help of Ecocloud. We can get the AI journey faster, team. So I would suggest come explore your AI agents, because earlier you were utilizing some other bandwidth to do all this job, and end of the day the results landed us into the different deviations, and so the journey was something complicated for us to adopt AI. But now when the journey has been simplified, and now we know what exactly the AI can do for us, which business function it can help us, and what are the ISVs or OEMs who can support with the AI journey. It's simple for us to start the AI journey immediately, team. So that's it from my side. I want to keep it very simple so that people can understand what AI can help us out. And any doubts, I'm open for queries and doubts, team.
Hari, I have one doubt on behalf of our customers. So,
Sir.
if a customer is interested in any agent, what is the process they need to follow after coming to your AI Exchange portal? Can you just help our customers to, if they want to adopt some AI
Sure, sir.
agents,
Sure,
what is the
sir.
process for that?
So, sure, sir. So, what I will try to do is that now once they land into this particular link, right? So you can find a get started page here, sir. A new user or new sign up. A new user, it will ask you as a client. So you can sign as a client. A simple name, email ID, concept. That's it. You can register there, and simply it will give you an access to the page. Go to this agents, go to this agent store, this one in the top left, click on the agent store. It will take you to the all the available agents. If I am interested on test data management, I want to speak to any of this, it will fall me as an inquiry here where they have to mention it very clearly what exactly they require test data management, and we are looking for a POCs. Now, simply this inquiry will land to me, and I have a tat of responding within 24 hours through Ecocloud. Hope that makes sense for you, Idris. I address your query.
Yes, yes. Actually, so after this, let's say if a customer is wants to adopt any agent, so how does the ISV work
Okay,
with
now
customers?
once this land, or else if you are running sort of a time, this is the particular AI exchange email ID on this particular platform which will land to me, and they can say that key EcoCloud team or Redington team, I want to explore any of this ISVs, automation edge ka jitna bhi agents are available here. I want to explore automated employee pre-onboarding agent right now. They can just mention me on the mail directly or talk to the sales. The day to itself, I can arrange a POC. I will arrange your product brief. I will arrange your demo on your premises. And Idris, you would be taking the charge of taking all the things further, where I will help this ISV to support you in the backend to deploy all the required support in terms of POC and demo. In fact, we can also give them a demo for 20-25 days in order to go and adopt in the solution there.
Okay. And this solution works on the cloud, and is it even on premise, or it has to be on the
Every
customer's
solution what
cloud?
we have listed here, we have made sure it's a platform agnostic. You can talk about cloud, private, and hybrid also.
Okay. So if a customer has their own Azure environment or AWS environment or
Yes, sir.
Google,
Yes, sir.
this
Yes,
ISV
yes.
can deploy the agent in customer's
Yeah.
environment also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that's the reason I've shown you when I go any of the agents here in the deployment or ROI may, for example, this has not listed. One second, sir. So if I see a DocuGenie here, everywhere it shows you a deployment capabilities. Key, it can be deployed in all the environments. Karke. One second. Now, there are agents who are only cloud premises. One second. So there are few agents who can give you a deployment file also, ki where all it can be deployed. You can go and view these files also. ROI deployment file, it will give you very clearly, sir. Or
Okay.
else, sir, if
Okay.
you feel that key, or else if you feel that key, see here the deployment tags are very clear. See, the agent will tell you it can be deployed on AWS, Azure, GCP, Salesforce, and open sources.
Okay. Okay.
So
And
it is a
let's
mix
say,
and see, it is a mix and match, but we have made sure that 80 to 90% deployment is a platform agnostic. There are many solutions who work only specifically for AWS. Someone
okay.
says that I want to work only on Microsoft. I don't want to change my ecosystem. I want only on private. So those can be chosen, those can be discussed, and we can work upon that deployments also. It is.
Okay. And one last thing is specifically about the the total transaction which happens. So every month, so initially the ISV would be doing the deployment at a customer's environment. That is a one type of service which they'll be doing. And once it goes live, there'll be a monthly usage bill. Am I right on this?
Yeah. So there are two ways of understanding this. Now I am selling agents here as a SaaS model. Now, these agents can be a one-time deployment for the customer. Second thing, all the all the instances or all the cloud provisioning what they are utilizing, there would be a monthly or quarterly provisioning what they are agreeing upon at the time of transaction, where these ISVs will not be coming and dictating their terms. I would be talking more onto these agents only, the deployment of agent as a SaaS model, and the rest of the LLMs and the infras what they are utilizing. That can happen basis on your commit on their commitment with Ecocloud there, sir. My deployment would be not talking or dictating anything on the monthly or quarterly. It would be a one-time deployment, or it can be an yearly subscription model, or I can give you totally as a lifetime platform fees to you, or I can deploy an agent which can be working with you for a lifetime. So my business model is different. So I would be not talking about monthly consumptions here. I
Okay.
want to keep it very simple for all the customers, because if I have to burden them with all the monthly, quarterly billing, then I think they will get bored of using this AI, because the ROI will not be justified by using AI there.
Okay. Okay. So it
Yes, sir.
depends on vendor to vendor, ISV to ISV. They
Yes,
will
sir.
come with their own
Yeah.
method and discuss
They
with
will
us,
come
right?
with their own differentiated proposition, but believe me, we are talking on reducing the cost to the customer at a level that the scale can happen. That means, for example, if I talk about an automation, it's ISV there. It gives you an RPA and workflow automation, which I don't think so. I can go it for a monthly billing there. If I talk about voice agent, I can give a subscription for 3 months. It depends on the utilization of the solution also, right? At least.
Right. I'm clear. I'm clear.
Yes, sir.
And one thing is, I think one of the customer just messaged me is in terms of if they have some existing application, let's say CRM application, okay, and if they select any agent from here which will integrate with their CRM application, so completely your ISV will handhold them and will make sure the agent is integrated and the overall solution is deployed. Am I right?
Yes, sir. So the journey of CRM would be in that way. The already CRM journey is existing in your ecosystem. I do not want to go and do any integrations there. What I will do is that now I will add you an additional API on the top of that basis on the agentic flow, whatever you require. In the existing CRM, you want a voice bot who works like a Alexa for you, saying that "Ki, my system wants to give a voice commands to it. I need an agent there. I can simply go there, give an API access. You give me an API access, we will give you an API, get the both integrated, and voice agent will be separately deployed there. That ISP will take care. They will give you the POC and demo and how it works. You need to give us a test data. We will give you all the required set of confirmations. The only thing which I require from you is that the existing CRM should be able to give me an access for an additional API integration that every brand does. But I am giving it to you as a prior notice to everyone that if there are any enhancements required, that existing product should give me an access to that.
Okay. Clear on this, Hari. So I'm
And I
just
have done this. I
requesting.
have done this kind of stuff with one of the POS guy from Mumbai, where I have deployed an voice agent to the existing. I have done one thing with one of the rice mill vendors in Kolkata, where they are running an CRM. They have a tally there, but they want to see their CRM give them an analytical report, predictive maintenance, and also it should also talk about their existing future predictions. So we have done this use case also in one of the Kolkata rice mill brands.
Okay. So I will just request all our customers today who are attending, if you have any queries, please unmute and speak, or you can put it in the chat also. Hari or the team, anyone, Gaurav, you'll be able to more than happy to answer you. We have another 5 minutes before we close the session at 11:45. So it is open for Q&A. I request all of you to please put across any questions you have specifically to your industry and any use case which you have you want to discuss with Hari. He may immediately give you a solution right now, which will be easy for you to deploy in your organization. It may be any industry, media industry, manufacturing, healthcare, banking, doesn't matter which industry you are coming from. If you have any use case for agentic AI, just discuss if you want to do it right now, or if you want to have a one-to-one conversation after this call also, you can message or call me or Tahir or our team. We'll be more than happy to connect with you people. So we have another 5 minutes, team. Please, if you have any questions, please unmute and you can ask.
Yeah. After this call, I'll share the complete recording with you, and we'll keep this second open. Any user can chat in the same chat box.
No problem, Tahir. So I think it's a good session. Like when people are listening, I feel that they are trying to understand it without any deviations and
Absolutely.
conflict. Yes.
Absolutely. So,
Yes, sir.
Hari,
Sir,
Gaurav, thank you for. I guess there has been no questions which is coming up. Maybe they will reach out to us one to one after this. Okay.
I think
Uh,
Vijay has
Vijay
raised his
has,
hand.
yes.
Vijay has one question. Okay. Yeah. Vijay, please go.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning.
Sir.
My name is Vijay, and I'm taking care of IT in Vinyas Innovative Technologies.
Sir.
Here we are using ERP Next as an ERP. So can we integrate voicemail, voice search, or voice commands to that one, so that shop floor people doesn't have much hands-on on
Yes, sir.
the
We can do that, sir.
computers.
We
So
can.
nowadays we are doing some APIs integration to that one. Voice we are not done it. Is it possible to do that one? And
Yes, sir, we can do that. So I told you, right? So I was
mm,
working with one of the
mm,
CRMs vendor, and right now
mm,
one more POC is happening with Logic ERP. If any one of you people are using it, and I don't know, we are
mm,
working in that phase only where we are
mm,
giving in a voice agent. For example, I
mm,
have to give a CRM access to anyone. By
mm,
chance, if they are not able to give the right input, we are giving a voice agent which will work as an agent on the site,
mm,
capture my speech to text, and it will send
mm,
as an agent there, and in the
mm,
return also it will try to read out also. So
mm,
we
mm,
can do
mm.
that, sir. I have been working in the POCs. I told you the Logic ERP is one vendor where I'm working closely with them, where they are
Mhm.
trying to add an AdSense with Redington team, sir.
Okay. Is it possible to get some demo over that?
Yeah, we'll do
No
If
problem,
POC,
sir. Yeah,
Anjana.
mm,
We'll do
we will
POC.
okay,
do that, sir.
Arena,
Yeah,
after this call, we'll have
yeah.
one-to-one call. Huh?
No problem, sir. I can arrange you the demo. I can integrate the voice agent. We will help
Yeah,
you with all
we'll do
this.
the POC.
Tahir will coordinate with you all this. You let us know your convenient time, sir. We are happy to take this request ahead. And trust me, I gave you that experiences because that way you can get connected. Everyone is using CRM, but they are not
mm,
talking about the enhancement. You use an
mm,
ITSM right now. I will give you the best example also. See, everyone,
mm,
almost 10 to 15 industries, the people who have started the enterprises, everyone knows ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a ticketing tool, but no
okay.
one knows the service orchestration right now.
Mm,
What is
okay.
service orchestration? For example, ServiceNow gives a ticketing tool. It will raise an SR number for us and say, "Ki boss, wait for my tech team to come and evaluate the SR number."
Mm,
And that will take 2 to 3 days of turnaround time. But when I add an agent, the agent will pick up that service ticket and say, it will try to give you an auto enhancement saying that, "Ki, hey Vijay, your laptop has been run down. You need to restart." That is the
mm,
service orchestration, which is reducing the time for you to give the productivity in the system. That is service orchestration. Also, I'm trying to do many use cases.
okay.
So
Okay.
ITSM plus agent with an evaluated solution is service orchestration, sir.
Sure.
So there are
Okay.
many use cases I am working right now. So that's what I told you. The biggest challenge for the enterprise right now is to identify use case and see, until unless we do not come and say that is there an enhancement available, we are not able to help you out. So please let me know what all business functions you want me to go and support there. I can create a use case there, workflow there, and
Mm,
also try to automate the things for you. So we are working on the robotic process automation, workflow creation, device observability, modern observability, everything everywhere. I'm deploying agents, sir.
okay. 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 After this session, we'll have the
Sure, sir.
um,
Sure,
contact with Tahir and Idris bhai.
sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Sure.
Hari, one query I have is typically for if a customer wants to adopt any agentic AI solution from your platform, what is the minimum and maximum time it will take to for deployment?
Sir, deployment, we have made sure it happens within 15 to 20 days, sir. The evaluation itself takes time for AI year because the people who wants to start a journey with us, The test data, the management, the POC, API integration itself will take 15-20 days for us to get the journey started. So within a journey of life cycle of 1 to 2 months, the AI agents can be start working. Right now, in the case of Vijay, already it is done. It is deployed. The CRM is done. I have to add a cherry on the cake there. So it can be done within 15-20 days there. Basis on the use case, we can do. If it is a higher workflow, it can take higher time there, sir.
Okay. And one question customer has just messaged me, Hari, is if they are using Azure environment, see all their data is within the Azure ecosystem. Okay, it's completely Microsoft ecosystem, and they do not. If they tie up with any ISV, where will the data be residing? How will the data governance will work?
So there is no threat for an IP. Data will be there in that particular ecosystem. I will be playing with the data, not on the data.
Okay.
My place with the data wherever you give the access. For example, I have to build an agent for a supply chain management in an enterprise. I should be given access of the data residing in Azure, which is relevant to that particular supply chain function only. I will not go and talk cross functions there. So you need to give me an access for the data so that I can go and deploy my solution on the Azure itself. My solution will deploy on the Azure itself. So there is no threat of IP there. And all these particular agents are DPDP compliant, so need not to worry. So when Redington is a listed company in both the stock exchanges, so we are more worried about DPDP, and I myself, I am an ISO 27001 compliant company, sir. So I will make sure everything is in line with all the compliances.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Right, sir.
Team, anyone else has any questions? Else, I think we are out of time. Maybe we can end the session now. I think that's it from our side, Hari. I think
Sure,
it was really a very useful session. Thank you for your support. Thank you for Gaurav for getting this organized, and our Ecocloud team. Thank you very much for coordinating this activity. And a special thank you to all our customers to making sure you take out time on a Wednesday morning and attend this session. I hope it was useful to you, and we hope you come back to us with use cases specifically for your industry, for your business vertical. Please send a message to us or call us. We'll be more than happy to assist you with the complete life cycle, how the agentic AI system works in your environment, in your use case, and give us an opportunity to work with you much more closer on this.
Yes, sir. Thank you, team. Thanks all.
Thank you, all of you. Have a wonderful day.
day.
Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, team. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ending event.